For you guys who are thinking about starting businesses, think about leaning into other people's influences. Right now, I'm in talks with another guy who has a decently large Facebook group. With that Facebook group, I have every single avatar really in existence that will need my product or service in that group. So do I make said person a really big affiliate? Do I make him an equity partner? What do I do? But with that, if I can control the group and give that person or pay that person really well, number one, I don't have to spend any upfront money. That person makes money, and then it grows organically over time and really forever, depending on how big the group is. And we service all our clients. And it's the simplest thing you could do. If you are getting started, if you are starting a business, I think finding someone who has influence or creating your own influence or buying influence is the number one way to go.